In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice on ChatGPT. If you want ChatGPT's spoken responses to sound different, the good news is that changing the voice is quick and simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, go to ChatGPT in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're fully on the main ChatGPT screen before moving on. This helps because the option we need is inside your account settings, not in the main chat area itself. When you're on the homepage, look toward the bottom left side of the screen. That's where you'll usually find your profile area. Depending on your screen size or layout, it may appear as your profile icon, your account menu, or a small section with your account information. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several personal settings and preferences tied to your ChatGPT experience. From there, click on Settings. Once the settings window opens, stay on the General section. If another section opens by default, just switch to General so you're in the right place. This section is where ChatGPT keeps several standard preferences, including the voice setting we want to change. Now look for the option labeled Voice. Take your time here because settings menus can sometimes be a little crowded. Once you find Voice, you should see a drop-down menu next to it. Click the drop-down next to Voice. This will open the list of available voice options. From there, select the voice you want to use. You may see several different choices, each with its own tone or style, so pick the one that sounds best for your needs or personal preference. After selecting a voice, move on to the next prompt or next option if it appears on your screen. In many cases, the setting updates automatically, but it's always a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure your new selection has been applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the voice on ChatGPT. If you want, you can always come back to the same settings area later and switch to a different voice again. That makes it easy to test a few options and find the one that feels the most natural for listening. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process easy to follow.